This is the Nest Office Chair by Pago. The Nest Chair is a fully ergonomic chair aesthetically designed to enhance your home or office. The remote adjusting levers are well concealed to complete the look. The chair has a weight-balanced Posturesure synchronized mechanism, so you can adjust to the correct posture in a number of seated positions. The mechanism automatically adjusts the tension the backrest exerts on you. The first lever operates the gas lifter. Start by placing your feet firmly on the floor, ensuring there is a 90-degree angle between your thigh and your shin bone. For shorter people, this may require a footrest. Sit as far back in the chair as possible. The second lever opens and locks the Posturesure Synchro mechanism. It can be locked upright or in a number of reclined positions. The back reclines 2 degrees for every 1 degree the seat tilts backwards. This movement ensures correct posture. We recommend using the chair in the free float position or unlocked most of the day. Lock your chair in the most upright position for concentrated working. When the chair is locked in the upright position, the seat tilts slightly forward. This tilts your pelvis forward, generating better posture and lumbar support. Lastly, the Nest offers adjustable armrests. Hold the button and raise or lower them to the desired height. The raised position is designed to support your arm while using a mouse. Lowered is preferable for getting the chair as close to the desk as possible. Pago chairs are built to last, so the Nest Chair carries a 15-year manufacturer's warranty. Thanks for watching, and congratulations on a great new addition to your home or office.